Stop welding the wrong way. Most people completely struggle with rebar joints, but this simple trick will give you a factory-perfect, incredibly strong finish every single time. Look at this. If you just start welding without the right prep, your joint is going to be weak, ugly, and doomed to fail. That is a massive NO in professional fabrication. First, we must smooth the surface. Watch how this grinder preps the metal perfectly, ensuring maximum penetration for the filler material. This is where the magic really starts. We're not just joining two separate pieces of metal, we are fusing them into one single solid structure. Now, carefully watch the movement of the welding rod. You need steady hands and a perfect angle. See that incredibly clean silver bead forming as it moves? That is exactly what you want to see. Absolutely no slag, just pure, clean strength. Wait for it. Wait for the slag peel. Is there anything in the world more satisfying than a clean weld? This joint is now stronger than the rebar itself. If you love metalworking hacks like this one, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional tips. So, what do you want to see me weld next? Let me know down in the comments.